In this video, we'll show you how to use the limited width area option in the Lightning platform. It lets you create content sections with a controlled maximum width, giving your pages a cleaner, more consistent layout. A limited width area is a content area that doesn't stretch across the full width of the screen. Instead, it keeps your content within a set width, which makes text easier to read and layouts more balanced. To add a limited width area, click Add, then select Limited Width Area from the options list. A new limited width area will appear on your page. Click the area bar to open the settings. From here, you can choose the maximum width for the area. You can also control how the area is aligned on the page, to the left, center, or right. When you're happy with your settings, click OK to apply the changes or cancel to leave the area unchanged. This gives you one simple, consistent way to control your layout. Once the area is set up, click Add inside it to insert text, images, buttons, columns, or other components. Everything you add inside the area will stay within the defined width. You can use multiple limited width areas on a page. This allows you to control the width and alignment of different content areas independently. Once you're happy with your layout, click Save in the toolbar. Your changes will now be live for your website visitors. And that's it. With limited width areas, the Lightning platform gives you a simpler, more consistent way to control your page layouts, making it easier to create professional-looking websites without complicated design tools.